about fashion and beauty is all about authenticity. Are you having a dark and stubborn skin? Are you worried about your skin type? Alhaji Baru is here to help you get rid of all. Alhaji Baru Cosmetic Shop is the #1 cosmetic shop in Abuja with low discount. They take care of their customers even before they convert, just as by they are using their very perspective as a basis for their marketing, such as hand and body cream, hair cream, makeup products, also available at low discount and bonus points for their customers. Alhaji Baru Cosmetic Shop, they create a personal shopping assistant, both to help you find the products you need. Let the beauty inspire you.